Hi, and welcome to Neil's Makeup. I'm Neil, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Ryland Adams. And I know you're probably thinking like, okay, what does this color scheme have to do with Ryland Adams? Honestly, here's the thing. When I think Ryland, I think of someone who is he thinks very outside the box in a few ways. Like, he's really out there mentally, but at the same time, there's still something like, I don't know, there's something mysterious about him. And so I feel like this look just incorporates all that feelings I have about like Ryland. And I'm just gonna say I love Ryland. He's really interesting. I really enjoy his content. Even though I had to say it's like not my favorite to watch, it's still something I love to watch and enjoy. That being said, I'm like, ooh, this look, I'm living for it. I'm loving this green liner. I'm loving this like mostly matte smoky eye. I'm loving this lip. And you're gonna see this was my third option because the first two did not look good. Anyway, I also do just want to say I am sorry that it took so long to get a new video out here. I know it took forever, but you know what? I've been busy. And also, I just want to say a huge, huge, huge congratulations to Ryland and Shane. Honestly, they're my favorite YouTube couple. What the heck is on my nose? Oh, well, you can't even see it. Bloop. Oh, it looks like it's flecky glitter. Okay. Anyway, they're one of my favorite YouTube couples, and I'm so glad that they're like engaged. Like, oh my god, I can't. I'm so happy for them. But yeah, I do actually have to quickly now run take this off because I have to get ready for work. But honestly, I'm loving this, and I wish I could wear it to work tonight. I know I can't, but I wish I could. The skin, no, never mind. I have a colorful highlighter. Great. Anyway, ooh, that's right. Okay, I'm sorry. I need to run. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm gonna stop rambling. Roll the intro. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows and my primer. And I set my primer using Brûlée by Wet n Wild. And today we're actually going to be using the Berries and Cream palette. So, real quickly, I just want to say, this is my second attempt doing this look. The first attempt, I tried a weird brush to try and do the liner that I'm going to do, and it did not work out well. That type of brush works better with liquids, not creams. So, that's just being said. Real quickly to start, I will be dipping into, oh, this is bittersweet. And I'll be buffing that into the crease. I'm going to be taking this above the crease, honestly, like right here. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of Soft and Sweet and use that to blend out that edge. So now I'm going to take cherry juice and place that on the outer third and into the crease. Okay, so I'm going to blend a little bit more, as well as most likely take a little bit more of that first shade I used, Bittersweet, just to help blend out that cherry juice. So I did just go in with a little bit of sweet cream to help blend out that part again, because it was looking really harsh. So now we're getting a little nicer of a blend, and I love this. Excuse me. Loving this look. Now, normally I would probably take a little bit of blackberry and deepen the crease a little bit, like deepen this outer corner and crease a little bit more, but we're not going to do that today. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to take blueberry muffin and place that all on the lid. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this very nice domed pencil brush and just blend. Okay, so I love how it looks, but I feel like I do just need a little hit of black. So we're going to dip into blackberry just very subtly. I say that, but it's black. We're just going to deepen this outer area. Okay, there we go. So I do just want to say this eye is slightly more hooded than this eye. I know if you now you're probably noticing like, oh, two completely different eye shapes basically. Story of my life. Anyway, the black actually was building up better on here, on this side, so that's why I'm like trying to work it a little bit better. On this side, I don't know what's going on with this eye. We're just gonna deal with it. One thing I do notice that the blue is starting to like slightly transfer, but uneven eyes, what are you gonna do? Otherwise, I'm loving how this looks. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and use this Vivid Brights cream color in Aqua Sapphire and use that to line my eye. Okay, so I just want to say I did try to use this, it did not work. So I did have to redo this eye, so it's going to look darker than this one. I don't know why. I used the exact same steps, so this one turned out darker. But we're just going to go with it. I'm going to real quickly instead use Vivid Escape by NYX. Ooh, sorry, I just realized how off I was. Okay. So I'm going to use Vivid Escape by NYX to line. Okay, so we're back. I did take care of my full face. I applied Vivid Escape. I applied some really nice lashes. I feel like complement this look really well. And I have some highlight on, which I used two shades from the Dream palette. I think it's Unicorn and I want to say Ethereal. Okay, Unicorn and Ethereal. There we go. Oh, okay. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the eyes. So I'm just basically going to take the same colors I used up top and then trying to like smoke them out below and doing my usual thing. Basically, I'm doing my usual thing. I know that took a long time because I'm looking at it's taking me 15 minutes. But I wanted to make sure those under eyes were blended out and not too crazy. Now we're going to move on to the inner corner. For the inner corner, we're going to take Sugar Cookie. I'm not loving that. Instead, I'm going to take, let's go with Ethereal. For the waterline, I think I'm going to take this Lasting Drama Matte, and this is in the shade Jade Olive. Okay, so you can't really even see that, so instead I'm going in with the black. Yeah, that's what you need, a black. Okay, time to go to the lips, and this is where I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have 3 lip options. I want to see what these 2 look like first. No. So it's Jeffrey Who, so that's a no. This is Scandal, maybe. And the 3rd option, I feel like this is gonna be too warm. Okay. We're gonna go with Scandal. Okay, so for lipstick, like I said, we're using Scandal. Yeah, no, this is too pale. It's pretty, but it's not what I was looking for. So I'm gonna go take that off, and then we're gonna use one of the other colors. Okay, so since that was too pale, I'm going to real quickly, I'm gonna go with the dark option that I think is still a little more pink instead of what was Jeffrey Who. So I'm gonna be using Kylie Jenner Ulta Beauty. I have the lip liner and lipstick, and I'll be using them. Yes, that's definitely more the color I was thinking, but still, it's not exact. I'm gonna be right back. Took care of some lining and added some highlighter back to this area because it disappeared. Anyway, since Ryland is a Taurus, I thought, let's go with Taurus from Wet n Wild to top this. Okay, honestly, I'm not feeling these lips. I'm going to grab a mauve, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's try this again. I have a different lip liner. This is Wet n Wild. Laid down the mauves, or mauves. And we're gonna line the lips. Now let's try this. So this is actually MAC. This is one of their retro matte lip colors in So Me. Which honestly, this is so me. I feel like that's better. So still not what I was thinking of exactly, but it's better. I'm still going to top this with Taurus. Okay, so now we finally have this down. I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love this. Okay, I just say 3rd lip was the right option. I did want something like a little more coolish pink, but you know what? I feel like this like gray just grounds it enough to where it's not too crazy. You know what I mean? I don't know that I have blue, pink, purple, and green on my eyes. So I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I actually had so much fun creating this look. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie. It took me over. Oh, shit. Okay, it took me over 2 hours to get this look ready. Anyway, I just realized I had to run. I had to change, get ready and everything because I had to head to work. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I did have fun creating this look, but I do have to run. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button. Because every time I see a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!